Good morning students. Today I am going to start function or method. Function or method. Function or method already know. Function or method that means what? That means we create own function. मतलब अपना खुद का function use करना है. Okay. Already we know that there are many predefined functions like a println function or println method. Okay, like math function, like a absolute function, minimum function, okay, main function. So there are many functions predefined in Java program. So okay, doesn't matter. So here we are creating our own function, okay, and we are creating our own function, and using the function we write the program. Okay, so for writing the own function, first you declare the function. So for declare the function, you write the function header. So function header is about function header. That means for function header you write format like this one. First of all you write access specifier. After then write the name of return type. After then write function name. After then write function parameter or function signature. Function parameter or function signatures. Okay, so function signature or function parameter, that means if the function name are same, then function differentiate by the function signature or function parameter. Okay, access specifier is nothing like a public, okay, private or protected. Okay, and integer type, if no return type then you write void. If any one return type like integer or double something, you will put what is the function what is the function मतलब function return type required from the own function. According to return type you put here in return type. Okay, so now okay, so I'm going to write the program. With the help of program you can understand the how can use the function. Okay, how can use the create own function. Okay, so I'm going to write function. There are two types. Number one, non-return type, and number two, return type. Okay, so please you watch the full video. In the end you understand how can write the function, how can create the function. Okay, so now let me start. चलो मैं start करता हूँ. So first we taking the example, add two numbers using the function. Okay, and those function is non-return type function. Okay, so let's start. Write the class name. First of all, let class name be considered let function. Okay, after then write create the function. So for function header I already told return type, first you put the return type. So here the non-return type, so here write what void. After that void then what function name. So we consider function name is add. Okay, after that write the function signature. So what int a comma int b. Okay, inside the function write the code block. Okay, so logic, so let int a is equal to 0. So a is equal to what? A plus b. Okay, so here no return required add function. So here you write the output message. So system dot out println. Okay, So now give the output here, sum of the two number is s. Okay, after then close the function. Now after then you write the main class public static void main, okay, string of, okay, so inside of main method you write, okay, and you create the object and you take the input from the users. So from the user take the input, let int equal to x comma y. So then you take the input from the user. We will use the scanner, let scanner, so sc new, okay, after then scanner system dot in, okay. So after then you write x equal to what, next int, okay, sc dot next int, okay, and y equal to sc dot next int, okay. So this xy is the input by the user. Now again we create the object for calling the method. So how can the object, so object of the function, that is class, okay. So with the help of class we can create the object. So function and then object name equal no, after then what, constructor. So function and this one, okay. So this is the format you can create the object. Here object name is ob, and with the help of object you can call the function. So you write after then ob dot function, sorry, ob dot the method name is add, and you will send the value of x and y. When you write this statement, है ना, after इसको लिखने के बाद just you are calling the add method. So when you call the add method, the x value and y value it will assign on the a and b, okay. So the value of x assigned on a is equal to a and y assigned equal to b. So after this summation is equal to a plus b, okay. So output, because there is a no return, यहाँ कोई रिटर्न की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So output message को हम लोग फंक्शन के अंदर ही लिखेंगे, okay. So it will give the output message of sum of two number, okay. And if the same program, okay, write the add two number using the function of return type. So when function want return, so you write int here, and after, so there is a no need, यहाँ पे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है output print output message दिखाने का, because function required the output. So here you send return the output message is to the function, एंड जहाँ से इस फंक्शन को कॉल किया गया था, इस फंक्शन को कॉल किया गया था इस ऑब्जेक्ट मेथड से. सो दिस वैल्यू, दिस रिटर्न वैल्यू इट विल सेंड टू this object. So this object value stored in another integer, let here int, let int here, let something z. So the output is stored in z value. So print here in main method system.out.println, okay, z. So it's about return type function, okay. So now after then, now see the another example you can understood function. So now I am going to taking another example, use the program of function. So let the another program we check a prime number, okay, by using using function. So let to check a number is prime number using function, okay. So we are using the function of return type, okay, function, okay. So again we start, right. So first you write the class name is what, prime, okay. So after then now we create the own function. So let here int, okay. So int let test, okay. So now the parameter we consider let int end. So after then, okay, we write about logic of the prime number in our function block, okay. So write here int I comma c equal to 0 comma f equal to 0 semicolon. Okay, so after then create this loop. It is about the logic of the prime number. So I equal to 0 or sorry I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. So okay, so now after then what if n is divide continue by I, if it will become 0, that mode 0, that's if it divisible, then I am going to see increment c equal to c plus 1. So if the c the value increases, okay, so that means after then we will check. Okay, so loop close the loop. After then we will write what if, after that if equal to c equal to 2, so then f equal to what 1, then return f. okay, so it is the logic of prime number. आप देख सकते हो कि अगर c का वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, दैट मीन्स इट इज डिविजिबल बाई एनी नंबर्स. अब यू नो दैट कि इन प्राइम नंबर कि अगर एनी नंबर डिविजिबल बाई, that means that's of c values increases. When the c values increases, that means f equal to 1. When f equal to 1, that there is no prime number. If no divisible, then c का value increase नहीं करेगा, then f equal to 0. If f equal to 0, that means that is a prime number. So here the function demand the return. So the value f's value should be go in where function. Okay, so function. Okay, so now after then write the main method. So write public static void main. Okay, strings or okay, after then just take a input value by user. So with the user we will put again a scanner something. Okay, scanner sc new scanner. Okay, system dot in. After then, so let x value is what sc dot next int. Okay, so x value is become. Now create the object for calling the own methods. So for the creating the object of the function prime, so write the prime and write the object name. Let be consider ob new. Okay, this is the prime. Okay, so now this prime is what create the object ob. Okay, so this class this object is a class of prime. So now with the help of object we calling the method. So write what ob dot test with the x. Okay, so now when this value is called and when this object called to test method, the value of x assigned to n. So after check the n, the return the value is f, either f equal to 0 or f equal to 1. Already told, if f equal to 1, there is a no prime number. F equal to 0, that is prime number. So this the return value is what f. So this return value is become here, and this value वहाँ चला जाएगा जहाँ से इसे कॉल किया गया था. तो कॉल कहाँ से किया गया था, यहाँ से कॉल किया गया था. तो ये वैल्यू इट विल कम हियर नाउ, एंड दिस वैल्यू लेट बी स्टोर्ड इन लेट इंट. We consider int here by. So the value of a stored in by. So now again if you check, if y equal to 0, that means f equal to 0. That means f equal to 0. That means you can write system dot out dot println. It is a prime number. Okay. Else it is not prime number, and close the main method. So this is the program using the function. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like. Okay, so now this program we show non-return type. Another one we will show return type. है ना, इसको दो तरीक़े से दिखाएंगे, एक नॉन रिटर्न टाइप, एक रिटर्न टाइप. ओके, सो फॉर नॉन रिटर्न टाइप वी विल राइट टाइप व्हाट void. Okay, so now so I am going to start the program of palindrome. So write what class, just write any class name plan. Okay, so after then you create your own function. So here is what non return type, so you write void Okay, after then when first of all reverse, we are going to reverse that number, so we consider the function name is reverse. So now here we consider the number n. So now here is the void, there is a no return of type. So what, then this n we consider stored in another variable, let n a equal to n. Okay, so now after then also consider int equal to d and r equal to 0. Okay, so now we creating the loop, okay, for the reversing the number. So do, okay, so now d is stored in n mode of 10, the remainder of the given number first stored in d, and after then what, r equal to r into 10 plus d, and after again n equal to n by 10. Okay, so now this loop is continue when l now is equal to 0. So let you consider, let any number 151, okay, or 152. Okay, so this is the what, reverse process, reversing process. Let we consider when you find the remainder, it will become a 2 here. So after then it's a 0 into 10, 0 plus 2, so it will become 2. So n by 10 it will become a 15. Okay, so after then it will become here, okay, 15 is not equal to 0, so it will again here, so here remainder is 5, and after then here is what, here r equal to 2, 2 into 10 plus 5 is a 25. After then here the remainder is after division it will 1, so 1 is not equal to 0, so here 1 more 10 equal to what, 1. So after then here, so 250 plus 1 is called 251. Okay, so reverse of this number, it will become 152, it will become 250. When divide 1 by 10, it will what, 0, so it n is not equal to 0, so it will what, it will false. Okay, so after then it will go outside the loop. Okay, so here now if you here compare, because here no return, so here compare what, now with compare with n, a. Okay, so with which number, r number. So now if r equal to n, sorry, r equal to what, a, then SOPLN, you write what, then SOPLN, system order println is what, it's a palindrome number, and else SOPLN is not palindrome number. Okay, so now it is the what, it is your inside of your function, so close the function. Okay, after then write the word public static void main string aux. Okay, so inside of this one, okay, first you take the any value, let int x. Okay, so x is the word, x is the number by taking the user, by user. So we use the word scanner AC. Okay, new scanner system dot in. Okay, so here AC what, AC we consider AC. So now here the int x equal to AC, next int. Okay, so this is the value of x by user. Now this x, okay, so we are now going to call reverse method. So first of all, calling the reverse, first you create the object of the function plane. So how can I write the function name plane? Just write the object name ob, after the new. Okay, so plane. Okay, this is a constructor. Okay, now after then call the ob reverse method. So reverse and this x. So this, when you call the reverse, so it will go here and the value of x reach here. Okay, so now after then it will go through here code block, and after then it will print off there is a palindrome or not palindrome. So it's about method of void. If you continue without with return, so you write what here, you write here let int. So don't need to write here print, or here you check the palindrome, just you write here return. the reverse value, return the reverse value, so return R. Okay, and close your methods. Now this return R value, when the call here from here, okay, so now the reverse value it will become here. So now you will store in another variable, let unit state by. So now compare with what? X with y. So now here, if now after then right here, if compare x or y, if x equal to y, then it's about palindrome, either it is not palindrome. So using the return and non-return type of function done. If you want to more number of program on the basis of functional method, so please write a comment, and please also subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.